Hello guys, my name is Sumit and I have made my first ever game with the help of Python and Pygame by using Amazon Q CLI. This is my game code and let me take you. Okay, yeah, this is my game. Here you can see there are some arrows keys, WASD. So you can use the arrow key also and the WASD key also. So let me show you something. It's a Super Mario style game, completely made by Python and Pygame with the help of Amazon QCL. Okay, so this will be available on my GitHub, so you can check out my GitHub repo. Okay, so you can build this game also. So can you space game open. So what will I do? R. I can see my point is increasing. So in this, I have used some points, enemies, and game over. Okay. So it's completely made by a Python game. Okay. So let me take to this point. Let me finish this game. So completed. So okay guys, enjoy this game and check out my GitHub library and follow this account.